My child asks for screen all the time, even after watching an hour. Most parents face this issue. We feel so irritated when our child starts throwing tantrums to get that screen. How to respond to this situation? You have two options. Either you be angry and say, already you have watched it for an hour. Stop asking again and again. How many times I have told you that you are not getting it now? You are just giving me a headache. Or second option is you stay calm and be gentle. I know, baby, you want to watch more screen and that's why you are upset. But I can't give you right now. I will give you in the evening. Now stop crying. And let them ask for it. You don't have to give it. Now, which option you want to take? First, a second. Tell me in the comments below.